Do you really know Dogman? It's time to test your knowledge. Listen to the voice clip and try to guess which character it belongs to before time runs out. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Now let's get to the challenge. Question 1. Whose voice is this? Can you guess it?
Oh, ha, you're back. Finally came to your senses.
Petey.
Oh, ha, you're back. Finally came to your senses.
Question 2. Which character has this voice? Do you know? Dogman. Question 3. Who has this iconic voice?
Mayor, don't you think the problem might be a cat jig?
Chief.
Mayor, don't you think the problem might be a cat jig?
Guess by the shadow, the clock is running. Nice. Question 4. Who talks like this? Take a guess.
Oh, hi, Papa. What you doing?
Lil Petey.
Oh, hi, Papa. What you doing?
Question 5. This voice belongs to which character? Can you figure it out?
No, I came to annoy you. Behold.
Petey's assistant.
No, I came to annoy you. Behold.
Spot the differences. Did you find them all? Good job. Question 6. Who is this character? Got any idea?
Mechanical exploding squirrels? How evil can one?
Sarah Hatoff.
Mechanical exploding squirrels? How evil can one?
Question 7. Which character has this recognizable voice? Who is it?
Ooh, a free kitty! How much does he cost?
Dippy.
Ooh, a free kitty! How much does he cost?
Question 8. Try to identify this voice. Do you know the answer?
Okay.
Big Jim.
Okay.
Odd one out. Can you figure it out? Great job. Question 9. Who says this? Can you recognize it?
Gotcha!
Rocco?
Gotcha.
Question 10. Which Dogman character has this voice? What's your guess?
Yes! Finish them!
Flippy. Guess by the shadow. Can you recognize who it is? Perfect. Question 11. Which character has this voice? Can you recognize it?
What if we sew the dog's head onto the man's body?
Girlfriend.
What if we sew the dog's head onto the man's body?
Question 12. Which Dogman character is speaking here? Do you know the answer?
Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Harold and George.
Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Question 13. Who is talking in this clip? What's your guess?
Okay, that's left. Here we go.
Seamus.
Okay, that's left. Here we go.
Spot the differences. Did you find them all? Good job. Question 14. Try to identify this character by their voice. Do you know?
And your body is no good either, Cop Doggy.
Doctor.
And your body is no good either, Cop Doggy.
Question 15. Which character does this voice belong to? Got any idea?
Paddington, Dogman has got to go!
Mayor.
Paddington, Dogman has got to go!
Question 16. Who is speaking in this clip? Can you figure it out?
You meddle that way, put me down, you nincompoopsicle.
Grampa.
You meddle that way, put me down, you nincompoopsicle.
Guess by the shadow. Can you recognize who it is? Perfect. Question 17. What Dogman character has this voice? Take a guess.
Dogman, we heard the alarm.
Cop Lady.
Dogman, we heard the alarm.
Question 18. Can you name the character speaking here? Are you sure?
Something happens to me. Take care of my girlfriend Alice, will ya?
Just man.
Something happens to me. Take care of my girlfriend Alice, will ya?
Question 19. Who is behind this voice? What's your answer?
Flippy Kaye, Flippy Flipper.
Robo-Cat.
Flippy-Ki-Yay, Flippy Flipper.
Question 20. Which Dogman character is speaking in this clip? Guess now.
What if we sew the dog's head onto the man's body?
Nurse Lady.
What if we sew the dog's head onto the man's body?
So how did you do? If you got them all right, congratulations. You're a true Dogman expert. If not, don't worry. There's always time to learn more. Leave your score in the comments and share this quiz with your friends. See you next time.